Alright, so we got the completed job here. There's our new softener. It's an A.O. Smith, the control panels. We got your carbon filter right there, double shut-off valves. That's important because over here, I clean this up as well. Got a self-flushing filter. This thing's pretty sweet. Just hit that valve on the bottom. I've got it ran over to the drain. That's a non-softened line. That's a yard hydrant type stuff. But new shutoff valve for that. That's redone. So I got to insulate still.